Abhishek, great news. HSBC has just launched Travel One credit card in India. Looks like Axis, Atlas and AMEX Platinum have serious competition. I'm really excited and I may go and apply this card.
Whoa, slow down, Vishal. While Travel One has been a game changer in places like Singapore and Malaysia, we really need to dig deeper. Is it really a travel ultimate card for Indians or is it just a hype? Let's break it down.
Great question, Abhishek. Before we dive in, guys, if you want to get maximum credit card returns from your cards, hit our channel subscribe button so that you get access to more such interesting topics.
HSBC has finally started taking the Indian market a bit seriously. And Travel One, which is their latest offering, is designed to elevate your travel experience with exclusive travel perks and rewards. If you love to travel, this is a card that can help you maximize on your trip.
We will look into the reward structure of this card. This card gives 4 reward points on all travel related spends. It can be on airlines, travel aggregators, and in fact foreign currency transactions are also included in this. For all other spends, this card gives 2 reward points for every 100 rupees spent. There is a monthly capping of 50,000 points per month for all travel related spends, but that is really on a higher side.
Let's be honest, the Axis Atlas card still is on the top with 10% reward rate on hotel points and airline partners.
Actually, my vacation will be sponsored by my annual spends on Axis Atlas card, which will allow me to book a 5-star stay in Singapore.
Wow, that's incredible. Do you want to share with our audience how did you do it? The highlight of this card is the ability to transfer HSBC points into a solid list of airlines and hotel partners.
Yeah, so speaking of transfer partners, HSBC has come up with strong 22 airlines partner and hotel partners on the board. It's a great move. And even their existing premium offering like HSBC Premier and Platinum doesn't have this.
Exactly. And there are 2 partners, Eva Air and Shangri-La, which are not there with any other partner bank in India. And Eva Air used to be with Citibank before the Axis transition, but that is gone as well. So this is certainly a win-win for frequent flyers to use those banks.
Yeah, and if you are not into air miles and hotel rewards, then you can redeem these points on HSBC portal. However, the value is low.
And let's talk about the milestone benefits, and these are very interesting. So you get 10,000 points when you spend 12 lakh rupees a year. And what's cool about it is that now even though you don't get points for insurance spends on this card, but the insurance spends actually are counted for milestone benefits. So that's a great thing.
So what does this card really offer? One thing I really like about HSBC Travel One credit card is its partner offers. With the Travel One credit card, you are just not earning the rewards, you are unlocking instant discount on booking your travel plans. If you see, there's a 15% off while you book your flight tickets via a Yatra or Make My Trip, ATM flights and Clear Trip. There's a 20% off on duty-free stuff as well when you buy from Adani One app, 11% off when you use Stay Vista for your luxury getaway, and 10% off on Zomato to fuel your foodie adventures. And on top of that, you earn 4% reward points on all each of their spendings. That's called smart saving.
Let's talk about the lifestyle perk. Now, what's a travel card without lounge access? Now, HSBC One also offers you lounge access. So that is 6 domestic lounges and 4 international lounge accesses in a year. The international lounge accesses are via the Lounge Key program.
Yeah, and along with lounges for all the golf lovers, there are 4 complimentary rounds and 12 free lessons per year. That's 1 lesson a month. Plus, you get 50% off on your green fees for additional rounds.
And let's talk about a purchase protection plan, which is the first of its kind in the recent times. So this is a standout feature which helps you get a protection on any purchase that you do via your HSBC Travel One card. If you buy something, you get an insurance cover from Tata, AIG and MasterCard, and the limits are also quite generous. This is 16.67 lakh rupees annual coverage and 2.5 lakh rupees on a single purchase or an occurrence.
Yeah, Abhishek, these are all great perks. But however, we will let our users to know that you have to check the fine print before relying on such offers. Let's get into the most important part, the fees and the welcome benefit. The card costs 5,000 plus GST. That will translate roughly into 5,900 annually. It is not fully offset by the welcome benefits, but there are some introductory offers which are valid till December 2025.
Yeah, and if you spend 10,000 rupees in the first 30 days on this card, you get 1,000 rupee cashback, a 3,000 rupees postcard voucher, and then you also get a 3-month Easy Runner Prime membership. And if you spend 1 lakh rupees in 90 days, you get 3,000 bonus reward points.
Yep. Now let's look into the eligibility. They have kept it very exciting for all the first-time credit card users. The age requirement is 18, starting up to 65. Your ITR should be only 4 lakhs for an individual. So it can be a great addition from the entry-level point of view.
Yeah, and they have a list of corporates where they offer this card on a very easy term, basically the relationship with the corporate and the bank. Now let's talk about where is it available. HSBC is right now only restricted to certain cities, which is Chennai, Gurgaon, Delhi NCR, Noida, Pune, Hyderabad, Mumbai, Bangalore, Kochi, Coimbatore, and now they have also also extended to Jaipur, Chandigarh, Ahmedabad, and Kolkata.
Yep. So guys, let's get into the verdict part. So Abhishek, is this a card really a game changer for HSBC?
While it's a good option, but I still suggest that Axis Atlas still has an edge in terms of the higher rewards. And if you're really focusing on maximizing the airline miles or hotel points, Axis actually offers you almost up to 18% of returns coupled with ACCOR, while HSBC is still between 4 to 10%. So it's not that great.
Exactly. And if you're really serious about your travel rewards, we have put two videos. One is on AMEX Platinum Travel and Axis Atlas. They are still a better option versus HSBC Travel One credit card. Also guys, what we have done, we have put an exclusive comparison sheet to help you decide based on your spending which card needs to be applied. If you really want to have that access of this card, do hit subscribe button and comment Travel One below.
If HSBC Travel One fits your bill, then you should definitely go for it. And if you found this useful, please subscribe to the channel and so that you can get the updates on whenever we come up with a new video.
Yeah. Also don't forget to share this video with your friends and family. They will get insight to such all videos. Until then, keep swiping, keep saving.